Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where I'll take you through my meal prep routine, especially how I store my vegetables. Goes without saying, it saves you a lot of time, energy, and also reduces your cooking stress. When you have things ready with you, you don't feel burdened to cook, especially during the early morning hours or while making your office lunch. Instead, you are motivated to get started quickly. In today's video, I'll share how I clean, sort, and store my vegetables and fruits over the weekends. So let's get into the video. This video doesn't include the meal planning part, it's entirely about prepping vegetables for the week. This is very simple and easy to follow system. When I don't feel like doing the menu planning, I just do this. I switch between this and the weekly menu planning system based on my mood and time availability. Here I have a chalkboard where I list the vegetables of the week that we have in our fridge and tick them off when it's cooked. These are some of the leftover vegetables from the last week. So I have some tomatoes, raw haldi, sarson ka saag and some carrots. Usually we get veggies on Friday or Saturday evening, and winter vegetables are really my favorite, especially the green leafy vegetables, and you really feel very sad when the season is over. Once I get my vegetables, so the immediate task is to wash and leave them to dry, and I don't have patience to wait until they're air dry, and also my counter space is not so big, and that's the reason I want to get things done quickly. These are my vegetables of the week, and after washing the veggies I wipe it using kitchen towel, and that's how it's done. Now I'm organizing my vegetables. You can also check my fridge organization video. I will provide a link to it somewhere here. So I have two handle baskets for my fridge. One basket is dedicated to salads and stuff like tomatoes, ginger, lemon, capsicum or anything like that. So basically things that I don't want to store in vegetable bags go in the baskets. In this one I keep so many different things. It's very convenient and easy to grab when you want to get things. These things remain fresh without covering them for almost 2 weeks for sure. And for some vegetables I use vegetable net bag, then I keep them all together in a cotton bag. Here I have reused a namkeen pouch for keeping my yellow and amba haldi, and I also store green chilies in the similar fashion. First I remove the top, and that's how it remains fresh for longer period. I find these Ziploc bags very useful, and vegetables in them remain fresh for long, especially the winter green leafy vegetables. And the best part is all your vegetables are sorted in different bags. You can always put a tissue paper or a kitchen towel which will absorb whatever moisture gets created inside the bag. Even if you don't keep the tissue paper, it's totally fine. Your veggies will still be good. The vegetables like sarso, methi, palak and all kind of leafy vegetables, I just pinch the leaves with soft stem and separate it from the hard stem and store it in the Ziploc pouch. I don't wash these leafy vegetables, I just clean them and keep it like that. And when I want to cook, I take them out, then wash it thoroughly, then cut and use. Today I just felt like doing everything by hand, so not use chopping board. And it's always good to buy these veggies in bunch, and when you get good bunch you can just remove the hard part by cutting on a chopping board, and you can store the entire bunch directly and also cook it. So it depends on how good or bad the bunch is. You can do either manually or by using chopping board. So what I do is I just remove the bad leaves and sort it, cut it and then store it in the Ziploc bag. Similarly, I have cleaned and sorted the mint and coriander leaves very nicely. As I have limited Ziploc bags, so I will store all three of them in one single pouch. And here I'm making a tissue wrap to segregate the mint and curry leaves. Now I'll be cleaning and sorting bathua and green garlic as well. And as I will be cooking sarso and bathua together, so what I'll do, I'll keep both of them in the same pouch and I'll create a partition using a tissue paper. Then I have cut the gobi florets and kept it in the vegetable net bag and also the cabbage. Now keeping all the vegetable nets in one large cotton bag that goes in the fridge bucket, and along with that I have also put the 2 green leafy bags as well. And rest of the vegetable pouches I have put in the second handle basket. And I have put haldi, green chili, coriander pouches on the fridge door. This week we also got Patanjali's cow milk, otherwise generally we get Amul's cow milk. So this is a stock for next 2-3 days. Another very important task is to peel garlic, else it ends up wasting more time when you are actually cooking. I have also peeled the peas and put it in this bowl as I don't have any zip bags left now. Next comes the stocking of potatoes, onion and garlic. So I have an organizer under my fridge where I keep them. I'm done with the vegetables now. Coming to fruits, mostly we get it on a different day, twice a week. Fruits we never keep in fridge, so mostly we consume it within 2-3 days time. I have washed it and put it on the fridge top as well as the counter. I also like to write the stock on my chalkboard, which gives me a visibility of what's left by the end of the week. And if you can't keep up with the menu planning system, then this can be the easiest possible thing to keep track of food items and vegetables. Hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.